So this pose is called flying double diamond. It looks harder than it is. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. So let me show you. You're gonna sit down in your seat. Remember to always do your little shimmy, okay? So you're gonna point your legs, lie back, shimmy, shimmy, and the reason we're doing this is to get our seat nice and comfy. We don't want it too big. All right, once you've got that, just come back up. If you're rocking, you can stop yourself with your toe on the ground. Grab hold of your big handles. Take your legs straight into a wide V and come all the way down. And then once you get there, just wrapping one foot at a time, so thread that foot through, thread the other foot through, and now you've got your diamond, okay? But because this pose is called double diamond, we're gonna go into the double part. So you grab hold of your handles and you take them around. First take them up to your head and you're just gonna flip them back. Now it's that movement there that can get quite confusing. It's almost a sensation you have to feel in your body. And once you get the sensation, you've got it, right? That's your double diamond. So really amazing for your shoulders. It's really amazing for the arms. You can feel the stretch through the whole biceps. Well, not really the biceps, the back of the arms. It's lovely actually, just melting in this pose. All right, and you can come out. Okay, so to come out, just come out the same way. The arms first bend, and then you want to walk your hands up, the long handles. Then you want to find your feet, so look up and unlace one at a time. Take yourself into that wide V, and then you're out. Okay, good.